Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back to share the box that I got for the Pinkfresh Studio Connect and Create event. Now this is like a last minute event for me. I just got an email that said they had opened up spots, and I decided to go ahead and sign up. I've really been enjoying taking classes. I've been enjoying the product that I've been getting in a lot of these boxes. So I want to go ahead and show you what's in this one. So when I opened up the box, it had this pouch, Pinkfresh Studio pouch. I thought that was very nice. I guess that's a gift. And they also came with, it's right at the top here, some watercolor paper. Now the thing about this event is some events come with everything prepped for you, like La La Land Crafts. Everything's prepped for you. That's amazing. Some are like Conquer the Knife, where they give you all the paper. It's not necessarily prepped for you, but they give you all the paper and everything for it. This one doesn't give you any paper and doesn't do any prepping. So you're going to have to do whatever prepping is necessary for the class. The only thing they did provide was watercolor paper. So then we got this hot foil plate, which is amazing. I'm super excited about the hot foil plate. And so they said we're going to do a dry embossing technique with this one. So I'm excited about that. And then we got a couple of sort of basics, essentials crafting. This is a mini slimline frame. And I'm excited about getting a slimline. So, and a mini slimline. And then this one, which is called Ornate Circle. That's what it looks like. And then we got a stamp set. This one is called, let's see, Heart Smiles. That one. And then we got some gold foil sentiments, which is pretty cool, actually. I really like the idea so that when you just want a quick sentiment, you don't feel like doing your own sentiments, embossing or foiling or anything like that. They sell these. So there's that. And then we also got some gems. And then in here, this is a triangle brass tray. So it's a tray. I guess you could put your sequins in, gems and things like that you're working on. Okay. And then these are done by, actually I'm just going to, they're done by day. So I'm going to kind of do a day and then stick it back in here because I don't want to mess up my days. So there's one class that we're going to use wide washi. So it's the wide washi. This is for one of the Saturday classes. I think this is actually the first class we're going to do. And then these are like really big. So we got, this is Whimsical Blooms, and it's the stencil and the stamp and the die. And that all came together. That's actually the first class. I don't know what I'm doing this weekend because it's like the last minute, thing. So I don't know if I'm going to get right to these classes or not. Let's see, that was Saturday. The next class on Saturday is this one. So in here, we got this stamp set, which is called Peony Fantasy. And then the die and the stencil. So I gotta tell you, I'm super excited about, I own some Pinkfresh, but a lot. So I'm really very excited about getting these florals. This one is for Saturday, 4 to 6. There's 3 classes on Saturday, and I guess 2, maybe 3 on Sunday. I don't know. So this is Butterfly Garden. And then the die. And then the stencil. And then on Sunday, there is this one, which is hand-picked flowers, the die, and the stencil. And then the last class, I think it's the last class. Maybe I did those out of order. This came with these things, so I'm not exactly sure. So stamp set, so I don't know. Maybe this one doesn't need a stamp set. It's kind of, maybe it's all stenciling. I don't know. But I got this gazebo, summer blooms, and summer blooms stencil. So it's a pretty intense kit. They come with a lot of stuff and a lot of product. I haven't really used any of their like big washi with the stenciling, big washi with the dies. And I haven't done any of their, I mean, I have done stamps and stenciling, but I haven't done any of theirs. So, and I do have a hot foil machine. I just don't pull it out. But I think that's really cool, being able to do that. So I'm excited about the class. And as soon as I am able to do the classes and show you what I made, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So that way you guys can see. And then it's on here for people who are shopping to see whether they want to join the class. I always do that. And I found there was not a ton of things on the Connect and Create Pinkfresh Studio. So I really didn't know what I was going to get. I really didn't, I don't know what the classes are going to be like, so I'll definitely share that with you guys so that you'll have that if you guys wanted to decide for next time whether you want to go or not. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.